This is how to video record on your MacBook. It works for both MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iMac. You press Command, Shift, 5, and then you'll see the lines pop up like this. I'm going to zoom in. So you see these dotted lines? That's your frame. You can move it up if you want to record like the whole frame, or if you want to just record like a specific section, like this tiny amount, etc. So for this experiment, I'm just going to record from the favorites tab down. That way, you know, in case you wanted to protect your tabs and you use your trackpad to do it. So, and then you want to go to options, and this is where some people run into problems. You either want to record none for your audio, or you want to record it from your iPhone, your Mac your Mac microphone, or your AirPods. I'm going to record using the inbuilt microphone from the MacBook, and then you want to press record. You'll see here this little dot at the top of the screen. That means it's recording. At any point in time, if you want to stop, you can press it and the video will stop, and then save it to wherever you selected. I selected desktop, so it's easy to find, but you could have selected to save it in documents or in downloads, etc. So now that it's running, you can see that it's running up here. If there's a video you want to record, like, okay, let's answer this. Just go by it. Okay. So the audio is currently in my headphones right now, but basically, if this was a music video or someone talking or class notes and you wanted to record the audio of the professor, etc., you do that. So if you were to scroll, for example, it's going to record the scroll. And now we're going to end the video right there, pressing that stop. You'll see that it pops up here at the bottom right. You just slide it to the right. And now I'm going to go to desktop, pardon the privacy. So in desktop, it's saved as screen recording, and to my knowledge, it's usually saved like this unless you change the settings to name it something else. And this is the video. You see, this was the video here. And it should have audio, but for the sake of this experiment, because it's through my headphones, you won't be able to hear it anyways. So if you wanted to record anything at all, I hope this helps. Make sure you subscribe for more Mac tips. I'm going to put more Mac tips as well in the description below.